Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Store apps not downloading. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. If you're experiencing issues with apps not downloading from the Google Play Store, try the following troubleshooting steps. First is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Apps won't download if your device is not connected to the internet or if the connection is weak. Next, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Restart your device and try downloading the app again. Now, clear cache and data of Play Store. Go to your device's settings, go to Apps, go to Play Store. Now, tap on Storage, and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will clear the temporary data and might help resolve the issue. Next is to check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause issues with the Play Store. Ensure that your device's date and time settings are accurate and set to automatic. Update Google Play Store. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Google Play Store. Go to the Play Store apps page on your device and check for updates. Now, check available storage. Insufficient storage space on your device can prevent apps from downloading. Free up some space by removing unnecessary files or apps. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or a proxy service, try disabling it temporarily as it may interfere with the Play Store downloads. Next is to remove and re-add Google account. To do that, go to Settings, go to Accounts, select your Google account, and remove it from your device. Then, add the account back and try downloading the app again. Next is to check for disabled apps. Sometimes, certain apps may be disabled on your device, which can affect app downloads. Go to Settings, go to Apps, Disabled, and check if the Play Store or any related services are disabled. Now, reset app preferences. So to do that, go to Settings, go to Apps, three-dot menu or the More option, click on it. Then, reset app preferences. This will reset app permissions and preferences, which might help resolve the issue. Next is to check Download Manager. Ensure that the Download Manager is enabled on your device. Go to Settings, then Apps, then click on the three-dot menu or the More option. Go to Show System Apps, then Download Manager. If it is disabled, enable it. And lastly, check for software updates. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. Check for any available software updates and install them. If none of the previous steps work, there might be more specific issues with your device or Google Play Store. You can try reaching out to Google Play Store support for further assistance or check community forums for possible solutions related to your specific device model and OS version. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!